Welcome to the Nav Viking tutorials. I'm Johannes Gudmundsson, founder of Anecta, a Microsoft Dynamics NAV Gold certified partner.
Hello and welcome to the Coffee Mug tutorials. Today I'm going to go through or just show you the mail integration inside Business Central. It is extremely good. There used to be semi-good mail integrations in the past, but this time around it's quite fancy. So I'm just gonna kind of give you a taste of it in this video, and we're actually gonna dive into what we can do in detail in further videos. But basically, if you're logged into the cloud, you can see up here that we can get into many more applications, right? And so most of them are going to be connecting to, or many of them are going to be connecting to Business Central directly, which makes it really nice. So one of them, of course, is Outlook. If I go into Outlook and I'm here in my mailbox, I got some test mails here for a test account that I have. If I click on here, I have a Business Central icon right on the side here. And if I click on that, just for example, Contact Insights, it starts looking. And in this case, it didn't find any contact for this email, but it says, do you want to create one? So I can just go ahead and say view existing contacts and see, wait, don't I have that? No. And I get all my contacts here. Look, I'm actually running Business Central here on the side. So if I add a new contact for this, I can just go ahead and do that. The test company Inc. 1, 2, 3. Fake address, etc. So now I'm actually creating a new contact inside NAV, which is going to be attached to this email. All I have to do is just put the email of that. So really, we are actually inside NAV on the email. So there are more things that we can do. We can actually go ahead and create a sales order, sales quote, purchase order, all kinds of things. So basically, and that's what I'm going to do in further videos, but to kind of dive into how much we can do here. But it looks to me like we're almost just running straight application of Business Central right here on the site. So there should be a lot of options. Like, of course, here are the actions for contact, straight into opportunities. So more to come on that. This is really exciting. I hope you like it too. Until next video, thumbs up if you like this, subscribe if you haven't. Until next time.